Okay.
But oh, you can keep it
Just
back.
slow. Slow. Yeah. Okay. Slow. Yeah. Para matuto ka.
Oh goodness.
Slow.
I'm gonna just use the bathroom and then we
Okay,
can
let's
go.
go. Let's go now. Everybody ready? Yeah. Well. What? Nothing. Where?
Here.
Where?
Here.
We will do it outside, Annalyn. Outside. Just slow down.
Mommy.
Yeah.